everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will traverse the land also known as the Hellenic Republic and known for being the cradle of Western civilization, the birthplace of democracy, the Olympic Games and its ancient history and magnificent temples. It's Greece. So watch till the end to experience this magnificent journey, paintings and stories on ancient Greek music. So friends, as I say that it's been a long time now we are doing this World Tour series and we have traveled through many different places, countries, cultures, their people, where they live, how their lives are, and of course virtually through colors and canvas. And it can't be that I don't talk about Greece as a devotee of painting and art. So this time I tried to create my representation of a painting showcasing ancient Greek music and people playing those musical instruments. Let's indulge in this captivating ancient times, the birthplace of democracy, Olympic Games, and its ancient history and some magnificent temples. My dear friends, let's talk about Greek art first. Greek art has mainly 5 forms: architecture, sculpture, painting, pottery and jewelry making. Ancient Greek art stand out among that of other ancient cultures of its development of naturalistic but idealized depictions of the human body, in which largely male figures were generally the focus of innovation. The most common and respected form of art, according to the authors like Pliny or Pausanias, were panel paintings, individual portable paintings on wood boards, etc. The techniques used were encaustic painting, that means wax painting, and tempera. Such paintings normally depicted figural scenes including portraits and still lifes. My dear friends, Greek people, Greek artists, both in drawing and sculpture, they largely focus on athletics to show a perfect and muscular body. It is not a natural or direct representation really of real life, but an idyllic and perfect vision of the artistic mind instead. So that is perceived and depicted by them in their different artwork platforms. And if we talk about the most famous artwork of Greece, it is Parthenon's frieze. The Parthenon frieze is the high relief Pentelic marble sculpture that is created to adorn the upper part of the Parthenon's naos. It was sculpted between 443 and 437 BC, most likely under the direction of Phidias. So what is this Parthenon frieze? This is sculpted marble depicts the Olympian gods seated while the citizens on Athens carved in the low relief move stokily in the processions towards the central point around the scene depicting the folding of the people. Now my dear friends, let's talk about the main topic which we have today for our painting, that is ancient Greek music. So ancient Greek music was almost universally present in ancient Greek society, from marriages, funerals, the religious ceremonies to theatre, folk music and the ballad-like reciting of epic poetry everywhere. It thus played an integral role in the lives of ancient Greeks. The word music comes from Muses, the daughters of Zeus and patron goddess of creative and intellectual endeavors. Concerning the origin of music and musical instrument, the history of music in ancient Greece is so closely interwoven with Greek mythology and legend that it is often difficult to summarize what is historically true and what is myth. The music and music theory of ancient Greece laid the foundation for Western music and Western music theory. Now about the instruments. The invention of specific instruments is attributed to particular deities. Hermes, the lyre, Pan, the strings, and Athena, the aulos, means flute. In Greek mythology, the Muses personified the various elements of music and were said to entertain the goddess on Mount Olympus with their divine music, dancing and singing. Other mythical figures strongly associated with music are the god of wine, Dionysus, and his followers, the Satyrs and Maenads. Amphion and Thamyris were both famed for their skills playing the kithara, whilst Orpheus was celebrated as a magnificent singer and lyre player. The oldest surviving Greek musical instruments are bone alui, which dated from the Neolithic age, 7th to 4th millennium BCE, and were found in Western Macedonia. Figures from the cycles represent players of both the aulos and the harp. Cretan hieroglyphic script has 3 symbols which are musical instruments, 2 types of harp and a sistrum. The Minoan harvester vase that was 1500 to 1450 BCE from Hagia Triada on Crete depicts a sistrum player, and clay version of instrument have been found on graves across the Crete. There is also some evidence that music may have been written down as early as the Bronze Age. If a Minoan liner, a text on wall in Hagia Triada, is interpreted as such. My dear friends, no treatment of the main period of Greek civilization should end without emphasizing the continuity both with what went before and after. Continuity is the clearest in the sphere of religion, which may be said to have been embedded in Greek life. It was one of the most sophisticated civilizations in world history, with many contributions in the fields of art, philosophy, politics, science and technology. Most philosophers of ancient Greece have contributed ideas and principles which paved the way for other civilizations to utilize and further enhance. Friends, there is so much I wanted to share my thoughts on about this birthplace of many things. Maybe in another session we will discuss. Our world tour series will continue. All the narrow paths of the world are shaking our hands. We will continue this search to share this happiness and joy with you all. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. Hope you liked today's expedition to ancient Greece. Transmit your thoughts, feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session here in the comment box. If you like our drawing session and you want to know about different illustration, paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing week to start. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.